Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic training, you will learn about how to create an Amazon AWS free tier account. This video highlights the steps needed to create an Amazon AWS free tier account. The free tier allows users to consume minimal AWS resources free of charge for a period of 1 year. If you consume more than the free tier thresholds, you are charged at the standard Amazon rates for that service. However, don't worry too much, as Amazon alerts you via email when you are getting close to consuming your free tier limits for the month. Inshallah, in a future video, I will also show you how to set off a billing alarm that will email you if your combined resource consumption reaches $10 USD. Let's get started on creating your Amazon AWS free tier account. First up, we will want to browse to https://aws.amazon.com. At the top right hand corner, click on Create an AWS account. It will ask for your email address to create a password and give your AWS account a name. Click Continue when done. Email address, password, confirm password, AWS account name. Click on Continue. Next, it will ask you the account type you would like to create. Amazon's description of professional or personal is to select professional if you intend to use this AWS account within your company, educational institution, or organization. Fill in the listed fields: full name, the world of IT, company name, information technology, phone number, country, Pakistan, address, city, Peshawar, state, KPK, postal code. Go to Google and type Peshawar postal code. Control C and Control V. Click to acknowledge. You have read and agreed to the AWS customer agreement. You can read it if you like by clicking on AWS customer agreement. Then click Create Account and Continue. To be able to create a free tier account, you will need to enter your credit or debit card details. This is in case you use more than what the free tier allows, as mentioned at the beginning of this video. If you use more than the free tier thresholds, Amazon will start to bill you. You may even want to use some more services outside the free tier usage, such as a bigger EC2 instance with more CPU and more RAM. Click on Verify and Add. Amazon will confirm your identity by sending you a text message or giving you a voice call. Fill in the details and click on Send SMS. Pakistan, phone number. Type the character as shown above, D8DD 6C.
Please type the numbers you hear.
4,
6,
9,
8,
8, 2,
You will receive a verification code either via text message or voice call depending on what you selected in the previous step. Enter in this code and select verify code. Once the code has been entered in, you will be shown the following windows. Your identity has been verified successfully. Click on continue. There are 3 support plans you can choose for this exercise. We will be selecting the basic plan. Click on free. That's it. Your Amazon AWS free trial account has now been created.